अब हम पब्लिक एक्सपेंडिचर के एमसीक्यूज को डिस्कस करेंगे। बजट इज अ टूल ऑफ फिस्कल पॉलिसी। Fiscal policy means government revenue and expenditure policy. Adam Smith introduced taxation. Canon of taxation was presented by Adam Smith. Canon of taxation was introduced by Adam Smith. This is not a direct tax, sale tax, indirect tax. The major portion of direct tax is collected from government servant. The burden of indirect tax cannot be shifted. This is not an indirect tax. Income tax. It is direct tax. Rate of zakat is 2.5%. Zakat is paid by Sahib Nisab Muslim. हम डिस्कस करेंगे इंटरनेशनल ट्रेड के एमसीक्यूज। बैलेंस ऑफ ट्रेड इंक्लूड्स विजिबल आइटम्स ओनली। बैलेंस ऑफ ट्रेड इंक्लूड्स विजिबल आइटम्स। बैलेंस ऑफ ट्रेड इज अ पार्ट ऑफ बैलेंस ऑफ पेमेंट। Balance of payment include visible and invisible items both. Theory of comparative cost was presented by David Ricardo. Comparative cost theory was given by David Ricardo. The theory of comparative cost was presented by डेविड रिकार्डो। ये एमसीक्यूज होगा इसके। अब हम नेशनल इनकम के एमसीक्यूज को डिस्कस करेंगे। अब स्टार्ट करते हैं एमसीक्यूज। द नेट नेशनल प्रोडक्ट इज इक्वल टू जीएनपी माइनस डेप्रिसिएशन। डेप्रिसिएशन लिखा हो, अलाउंस फॉर डेप्रिसिएशन लिखा हो, एक ही बात होगी। NNP does not include allowance for depreciation. National income is measured by product method, income method, expenditure, all of these. Personal income is equal to PI minus direct taxes. To calculate per capita income, national income is divided by total population. The average share of national income is called per capita income. The average share of national income is called EITPI per capita income. The ratio between national income and total population is called per capita income. To calculate per capita income of the country, NI is divided by total population. Reward without any services is termed as transfer of payment. Reward without any services is termed as transfer of payment. It is there are not included in national income. Transfer of payment. National income does not include transfer of payment. अब हम इकोनॉमिक साइकिल के एमसीक्यूज डिस्कस करेंगे। इकोनॉमिक साइकिल के एमसीक्यूज डिस्कस करते हैं, बिजनेस साइकिल भी कहते हैं इसे। इन डैश इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज आर एट देयर हाईएस्ट लेवल और पीक when economic activities are at peak, it is called boom. When economic activities are at their peak, is called boom. The boom phase of trade cycle is also known as prosperity. In dash economic activities are at their lowest level, depression. When economic activities are at their lowest level is called depression. The number of phases of business cycle is 4. The other name of business cycle, trade cycle, is business cycle. Trade cycle is also known as business cycle. Other name of economic cycle are trade cycle or business cycle.